Double cup sealer machine. Place the film roll onto the holder, ensuring that it unwinds in the correct direction. The temperature can be adjusted as needed for different materials. Position the film roll in its designated slot. Set the film roll as per the given instructions. Switch on the machine and wait for it to heat up. Adjust the temperature based on the type of cup and film. Once the machine is ready, fill both cups with your product, such as liquid, yogurt, or other food items. Ensure the fill level leaves some space at the top to prevent overflow. Position the cups securely in the designated slots for sealing. Place the sealing film over the cups, ensuring it is properly aligned with the edges for an airtight seal. Gently press down the lid, allowing the machine to apply sufficient pressure for proper sealing. Hold for 2 से 3 seconds. Ideal for sealing food, liquids, and dairy products. Your cups are now securely sealed, leak-proof, and ready for serving or packaging.